Have you ever wondered, why do you work all day and still get nothing done? Actually, it's not that you're lazy. You're just spending your time on things that look busy but mean nothing. For example, turn on the computer to study a little, then get bored quickly. Work when your brain is exhausted, productivity drops to 10%. Or spend hours organizing notes without actually doing anything. The feeling of being busy makes us think we're improving, but really we're just running in circles. To escape that loop, the first step is to understand when you actually have energy to work. Honestly, working effectively while staying chill doesn't need any brain hacks. Just remember these 4 little things. 1. One main task per day. Don't try to hold the whole world. Ask yourself in the morning, if I could only do one thing today, what's the most important one? Finish that, and you've already won the day. The rest can wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow's you is way more productive, right? 2. Pomodoro. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes rest. It sounds simple, but saves the souls of the easily distracted. Work for 25 minutes, no scrolling, no replying to messages. When the timer rings, stand up, stretch, drink water, breathe. After 4 rounds, reward yourself. 1 episode, 1 bubble tea, or simply the feeling of not being guilty. 3. Divide time by energy. Morning, do the heavy brain work. Midday, do the light stuff. Evening, rest or study lightly. Don't try to study when your brain's already asleep before you are. Late night studying? Yeah, that's just the nodding off in despair effect. 4. Keep your phone 3 meters away when you need to focus. If you still can't resist, turn off the Wi-Fi. Trust me, no one dies from losing connection for 30 minutes. Just try being serious for 7 days. You'll notice no more panic before deadlines, less stress from piled up tasks, and real time for yourself to read, hang out, or simply sleep without guilt. Managing your time well isn't about living like a robot. It's about living comfortably while still moving forward. Don't wait for motivation to come before you start. Start first. Motivation will come find you. Each day, just move a little forward, because on the long road, you don't have to run fast. You just need to keep walking in the right direction. Remember, time is never enough, but it fits perfectly for those who know how to use it.